Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about major technical update in BHEL, that is Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. So before discussing about this major technical update, if you are new here and if you didn't subscribe to my channel till now and if you are watching my videos, then kindly watch my at least two to four videos. And if you like those videos and if you found the information in those videos very much useful, then kindly do subscribe to my channel and at the same time do like my videos as well. So now let's dive into the topic and let's discuss about the major technical updates of this Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, that is BHEL. If we see about this Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, since a long time market is in downtrend, that is BHEL is continuously in the downtrend, and recently the market has closed above this trend line, that is sloping trend line. The market has closed above this trend line, and even the market is trying to sustain above this level only. So if we zoom out and if we see the present scenario, that is the present price action, so market has formed a falling wedge chart pattern, and currently the market has given a good breakout in the BHEL, and even the market tried to move up, but market again took a throwback and market came down, and currently the market is testing this upper line or upper trend line of this falling wedge chart pattern. So currently the market is its good like entry point. So if we take an entry point over here at the 71.80 or 71 levels, then we can expect a risk to reward ratio of 3. That is, we can keep a stop loss of 63.60 levels, that is over here. 63.25, 63.60 levels, that is over here. And if we keep a target of 92 levels, that is up to here. So if we see the risk to reward ratio, the risk is of 10% and the reward is of 30%. So it will be a good like win-win situation for BHEL if we take a long entry point in the BHEL. But before that, we need to wait for the Monday session or Tuesday session to take a good turnaround from this support level. Once the market takes a good turnaround from this support level, that is from this upper trend line, then we can expect a good rally in the BHEL. So this is about the technical update. So coming to few fundamentals of this Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited is a power plant, like a power equipment production company. So it majorly produces the products related to power plant itself, that is equipments related to transmission of the energy and the transportation of energy, and for products related to oil and gas, and as well as the defense sector. So even the order book has been increased in the BHEL, and at the same time this BHEL is an PSU company, that is public sector undertaking company. So we can expect a slow momentum in the Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited in the coming days, but I'm expecting the market will go up as soon as the market supports. If the market is trying to move up from this lower levels to the up to like 70,900 or 18,000 levels, then definitely we can expect this BHEL to rally up to this 91 or 92 levels in the coming days. So this is about the major technical updates in BHEL. I hope you have liked this video, and I hope you have found this information very much useful. So if you found this information very much useful, then don't forget to like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. So let's meet in another video. Until then, bye bye. Jai Hind.